Hey guys!
Today we'll be making Moro De Guandules. For more recipes,
Consider subscribing. Now, let's step into our kitchen.
clean your rice 2 to 3 times or until the water is clear.
Next, we'll drain some of the liquid from the guandules cans.
Make sure to add enough oil to coat the bottom of your pan. Be sure to finely dice your onions, cilantro, and peppers. We will let our veggies and sofritos sofreír until they're almost translucent.
Add your tomato paste and seasonings. After a minute or two, we'll add our gandules.
Mix your gandules to make sure it captures all of those seasonings. Once that simmers, you'll add in your water. Be sure to use a 1-to-1 ratio for your rice. Since we use 4 cups of rice, we'll use 4 cups of water.
Once the water begins to boil, add in your rice. Mix it all in there.
Now we wait until the rice soaks up the water. Occasionally stir to see how much water is left.
Once the water has been soaked up, you can cover the pot or add aluminum foil, then cover it. Set your stove to low heat. We allow our rice to steam for about 27 minutes.
After the 27 minutes, we'll fluff up our rice. You can add a little bit of oil to help in this process.
Smells like Thanksgiving.
Smells like Nochebuena. This is our family's favorite rice for gatherings and the holidays.
Let us know how you all make your moro.
Thanks for joining our kitchen.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. See you soon.